Hello student, are you ready? Today I am going to discuss drift velocity, the average constant velocity with which electron drift in opposite direction of electric field is called drift velocity. Derivation: force on each electron due to electric field F equal to E into capital E, small e charge on electron and capital E electric field. F equal to ma, where m is mass of electron, therefore acceleration A equal to E upon m. Velocity before the first collision v1 equal to 0 plus a tau 1, where tau n is relaxation time. Tau n is the time after which the first collision takes. After first collision, its velocity becomes nearly 0. Therefore, b2 equal to in second collision 0 plus a tau 2, so on. In nth collision, velocity vn equal to 0 plus a tau n. According to definition, drift velocity, average velocity, constant velocity v1 plus v2 plus v3 plus dot dot plus bn upon n, where capital N is number of collision. Capital N is number of collision, capital N. Therefore, Vd equal to this, Vd equal to a tau 1 plus tau 2 plus dot dot tau 1 upon n. Vd equal to a tau is acceleration and tau is relaxation time taken between the mean time taken between the two successive collision. Vd equal to E, value of A from equation 1 into Vd equal to E into capital E upon m into tau. In vector form, Vd equal to minus E vector capital E upon m into tau. Minus sign shows that electron drifts opposite to the direction of the electric field. Now come on, relation between drift velocity and electric current. Let the conductor have n electrons per unit volume, means there are number of free electrons n per unit volume in any conductor. Then total free electron in conductor volume into volume A is the cross section area of conductor, L is the length, A into L into n number of electron per unit volume, time taken by last electron to cross a conductor, T equal to this distance length of conductor L upon drift velocity. Total charge flows in this time interval Q equal to A Ln, total number of electron, this is capital N, into charge on each electron, that is you can say N into E. Here I equal to Q by T, A L N E upon value of T, L by Vd, L cancel, now N E A Vd. This is the relation between the current and drift velocity. Vd, d is the suffix here to the. Now here current density, we know that current density I upon A N E Vd. Vd is a drift velocity. Vector form of because current density is vector quantity minus N E Vd. This means electron moves in the direction opposite to the negative, means opposite to the direction of vector J, current density. Now next heading, mobility of electron. electrons. How quickly an electron can move through a metallic conductor or a semiconductor when electric field pulled electron drift velocity Vd equal to a tau, Vd equal to a value em into tau, Vd equal to e tau by m into e. This Vd equal to mu e mu suffix e into capital E, where mu e is a constant, e tau by m for a given conductor. Therefore, mu e defined as the ratio of drift velocity to the electric field. Vd equal to J upon N E E. Vd equal to J upon N E. Put the value of Vd, mu E equal to J upon N E E. This is another form where J is current density, in equation 1, if equal to 1 volt meter inverse, then mu E equal to Vd. SI unit of mu E means mobility, meter square, volt inverse, second inverse. Now all of you write down this so that I may electrical resistance. Electric resistance. The obstruction offered by a conductor in flow of charge through it known as electric resistance. The structure offered by conductor in flow of current through it is known as electric resistance. It is defined as the ratio of potential difference along ends of conductor to electric current. Therefore, R equal to V means potential difference applied across the conductor and to the ratio of the current I. SI, unit of resistance, means electric resistance, ohm. 1 ohm equal to 1 volt upon ampere. 1 ampere. Microampere, milliampere, microohm and milliohm hours. Dimension of R, ml power 2 t power minus 3 a power minus 2. Write down this. If any confusion, ask the question. Electric conductance. The reciprocal of resistance is called electric conductance. Electric conductance. Electric conductance G equal to 1 by R. Unit ohm inverse. Ohm's law. According to this law, if there is no change in physical state, state such as temperature, of conductor, then the ratio of potential difference to electric current always remains constant. Means V by I equal to constant this constant is known as resistance of that conductor. Electron drift with velocity Vd. This is negative. Therefore, graph between I and B passes through this reciprocal of slope is equal to resistance of conductor.